cook.
Hi, we have some meat. So, if you didn't watch them, go back and watch our Green Chef vegetarian, vegan, plant-based meal. Well, you don't have to watch them.
You don't have to watch them.
It turns out not so good. So I promised Colin that we would have meat for this one. So I got their paleo version, which is also known as the carb conscious. We'll see. I decided that I would let you choose.
All right, meat loaves, just because it has meat loaves as plural. Greek sausage and sauteed kale salad. My only problem with this is that it uses the ingredient most known to sit between entrees at the Sizzler buffet. And then pineapple teriyaki chicken. Really kind of want Greek sausage, but let's actually try the teriyaki chicken, because I was complaining about chicken last time, so.
Oh, yeah, okay, all right.
Let's do something with chicken in it.
Yeah, I noticed that a lot of their meals are kale heavy.
Kale's like cheap, dude.
What's wrong with spinach?
What's wrong with spinach?
Let me know what we need.
Isn't there like the bag?
Oh, you're right. Pineapple teriyaki chicken?
Yes,
right?
please.
Excellent. That was easy.
It always seems like there should be more stuff than like, here's your dinner.
Oh, you know what there is? There's meat.
Yellow onions and ginger already made up. The
Okay.
saddest amount of pineapple, man. There's like 5 chunks of...
Oh, that's pineapple.
It's not really, man. There's like 5 chunks of canned pineapple. Just make me sad. Some nuts with a may contain nuts warning. Teriyaki style coconut amino sauce. Just leave off the word amino. Just...
Oh, you know why? Because soy sauce, it has gluten in it.
Oh, so they're specifically calling it a...
Yeah, so this is coconut aminos, which is gluten-free, but it's teriyaki style soy sauce, basically.
I don't know how I survived through the 80s and 90s, man. Anyway, so without knowing any of this stuff. All right, and some delicious veggies, which look delicious. So,
Okay.
cook time, 20 minutes. Let's go. Servings 2, 520 calories per serving, which is better.
Better, way better.
Yeah. The other ones were more than
They were like 900. Yeah, it turns out In-N-Out only like, even a double animal style is only like 650 calories. I don't know why I don't eat more In-N-Out.
This paleo riff on a takeout favorite is comfort food we've been craving. Chicken strips are sauteed until tender, blah, 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 blah. Sprinkle of cashews, satisfying crunch, and let's party. Okay, step 1. Prep. Oh, I like the instructions. Very nicely laid out. Cut broccoli into bite-sized pieces. If necessary, if you've got a big old mouth, just don't worry about it.
I do, but I will cut these.
Chop the pineapple, but reserve the juice.
The juice?
Yeah, reserve that half an ounce of pineapple juice at the bottom of there. And then roughly chop the cashews. So let's get our...
Okay, let me get the chopping block.
Cutting board.
Our favorite Misen knife. These are kind of stemmy. I'm just going to cut this and then boop. Now I have a bunch of bite-sized pieces.
Some amount of oil.
Throw the broccoli in the pan?
Yeah, once it's warm, but you know. It's getting there. And then the yellow onions and ginger.
I really like that they chop up the onions. That makes me happy.
It makes me very happy too. All right, go for it.
Okay. But like, I don't know, some of these meals are not good.
Well,
I felt like, I don't know, like a lot of the selections, and I kept going, okay, well, maybe next week's meals will be better. Well, maybe I'm just super picky. Maybe it sounds worse than it actually is.
maybe it's bad.
Maybe it's bad. Salt and pepper it now?
Yes. All right, and then this is just 1 to 2 minutes until cabbage is softened, stirring occasionally. And get the cabbage to the bottom there.
Those are some big chunks of cabbage.
Yeah, it didn't say to cut it. Broccoli,
maybe
pineapple.
it wilts.
Yeah, maybe
and
it wilts.
shrinks.
Half of the amino sauce. Okay, you're gonna pour in half.
Sure.
All right, do it. So this is it. We're just gonna salt and pepper to taste, and then this stuff is done, and then we cook the chicken.
I mean, it said it only took 20 minutes, right?
Okay, so this is pretty much done. So I'm gonna take this off, put it over here. Pat the chicken strips dry with paper towels.
Done.
Get some oil. Add chicken to the hot pan, season with salt and pepper, 4 to 6 minutes. Okay. 1 more minute, Turkish. Okay, it's at 165. Add the pineapple with any reserved juice to the pan with the chicken. Cook 1 minute. or until pineapple internal temperature is also at 165.
We don't want to eat raw pineapple now, do we? That was a fair amount of juice. Do you want me to put in the sauce? I'm sure the pineapple is...
Okay, then turn it off. And yeah, no sauce.
Soy sauce.
The remaining amino sauce. Okay.
Time to plate. Sort of flinging it on the plate. I apologize. Terrible at plating. Okay.
It's on the plate. Can't be that bad.
Top with the nuts, yeah?
Yes, please. Oh, I was gonna get chopsticks.
Oh, chopsticks. Oh, we could do chopsticks. I like chopsticks. This is sort of Asian-y.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Chicken's good.
Mm-hmm. Cabbage and broccoli is good.
It's totally fine. Certainly, there's nothing exciting about it. I mean, it's pretty basic stir fry.
Yeah.
You know, I think a lot of it is in the sauce, and the sauce is fairly generic. I don't know what it would be like if it was a non-amino sauce. By the way, just keep calling it amino makes it sound like a science experiment. Makes it sound like a chemistry experiment. It's fairly bland.
Oh, I don't think it's bland.
Really?
No.
I can't really taste much in there, especially just in the chicken in and of itself. Make my pockets stuck.
Because it's sweet and salty and nutty and...
Is there something different about yours than mine?
Try another bite. No?
It's fine. I think if you're looking just for a gluten-free, chickeny, you know, paleo meal, that's certainly not bad. It's not bad. I mean, I wouldn't...
It's like the worst review ever.
I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I don't like it that much. It's fairly...
is edible.
It's edible. Won't kill you.
I like it. So meal one is not bad.
Yeah.
And it was certainly quick and easy, which I appreciate. I think
Super
this is
easy.
a nice, light, quick and easy
Yeah.
kind of a recipe. And yeah, the fact that it's dietary specific, I think is actually a nice thing, you know.
Totally.
So we have 2 more of the paleo meals. So make sure you are subscribed and click the notification bell thingy so that you can be notified for the next couple of ones that we do. And I will also link the vegetarian ones just in case you want to see those meals as well. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.